Okay, for now we want to have an overview for CSS. Now CSS in Python, you save it inside static, and CSS you save your file CSS with .css. So let's say style.css, enter. So you have created your style sheet inside static platform, inside static folder. Now for you to add CSS is what add color. It's like CSS is like you built a house. After building the house, without painting it, the house will not look good, right? But when you paint it, the house looks very good. That's what CSS does to your web page. Makes it looks good. Now for you to add color or element to a particular element, you have to call the element. Now let's look at index.html. What we have elements here. We have h1 elements. We have so what I need to do to add CSS to h1 element, I need to call it. If I go to my CSS file, I say h1. I want to add something to the h1. Then curly brackets. Put curly brackets there. Then let me say I want to add color. Should I say text color? Or let's just say color. Let's say the color is purple. Let me save it. And when I save that, okay, for us to be able to see this CSS, we need to be able to link it to our web page. Now, what it means is that in this in this h1, these types of fruits will appear as purple because I added it to that. If I want to add, let's look at what we have again. Under elements, we have P. That's okay, P. I want to add P. Let me go back there. Call P. Say P, curly brackets, space, put the element. Let me say I want it to text alignment. I want it to be center. I save. So it means that this text under P, all the text under P will be text aligned. I can also add something else. I say, okay, the color, I'm adding color to this. I say, let the color be aqua. Okay. Or I can click on this, select a better color. I don't like that. So it means that all these features will be added, will be displayed on the. If I go back there, and mind you, the body is also an element called body. The whole body can put an HTML. Let me look at this index. What else do we have? We have UL. We have UL. So you can say, okay, under the UL, we should have an element. Same way, we put this in curly brackets. I want to give it a certain color. So let the color, okay, let the color be chocolate. All right. So now basically color, there are so many things depending on the element you are using on your page. We have div where you can also toggle it into center and all that. But just to keep it simple, you can add color to it. Font size, you can also add your font. Font size, you can give, if you want it to be large, you put it large. Another font color, want to give it font weight. Font weight is the thickness. I give it font weight of the element inside that URL. Yes. So this will give you the thickness. The thickness will be 600 to be thick. It will appear, you know. So that is basic knowledge of CSS. You call the element, put it in curly brackets, then add the feature that you want to add to that particular element, and it will reflect. By the time we build our web page, you'll be able to see it clearly. All right, thank you. That's the end of the tutorial for CSS.